1. In a pot, melt your butter on medium-low. 2. Pour in your sugar substitute, stirring often until it has dissolved into the butter. 3. Mix in your almond flour and coconut flakes until the mixture clumps together easily. 4. Spoon your crust into the bottom of a ramekin and flatten using a spoon. 5. Let it cool while you make the custard. 6. In a pot, I use the same pot as the crust. Heat up your cream on medium-low. 7. Separate your eggs and place the yolks into a bowl. It's time to make the slurry. 8. Whisk in your coconut flour, followed by the water. You should have a thick coconut and egg mixture. 9. Stir in your vanilla to the cream on the stove. 10. Pour or spoon the slurry into the cream as well. 11. Using a whisk, stir often until the mixture thickens. 12. Let it cool for about 5 minutes before spooning the custard into the ramekins on top of the crust. 13. Let it set in the fridge for at least an hour. 14. On a small pan, heat up your coconut flakes on low, stirring often. They will start to toast and are ready when they are a nice golden brown. 15. In a large bowl, stir together your cream, vanilla and sugar substitute. Using a hand or stand mixer, beat the cream until it forms stiff peaks. 17. When ready to serve the custard, spoon the cream on top of the custard and sprinkle the toasted coconut on top. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto coconut cream pies. Each serving comes out to be 584 calories, 57.33 grams fats, 7.25 grams net carbs, and 9.22 grams protein.